So in this video, we will view the new machining types added to the pecking operation. To start with, we will select this corner to apply the cycle. And for the tool, we will implement the case where we will use the turning facing cutter. This was something that was added quite recently. So we will now select a tool which has quite a big cutting edge angle, like this one. Now when we move to the cycle, in type of machining, we already had ZX axis machining. And as from V611, we have added Z axis alone and X axis alone. The reason why we chose a tool with a big angle is because we will use the Z axis alone type, and the result will be more visible that way. 5 mm for the step depth is a big value. Let's set that to 1 mm and we calculate. Now let's run the simulation. So as we see, the tool path starts here. We have a first lead in ZX direction, but then the machining is done only in the Z axis. Now we will use this region to apply another pecking operation. So let's point to this element, and this time we will use a tool from this library. Let's choose a D-type. And for the cycle, set the type of machining to X-axis alone, the step depth to 1, and ensure the pilot choice is left to P-point. Let's calculate this one, and we run the simulation. And again, as you see, the leading is in the ZX direction, but the pecking is done in the X direction only.